Moito?
Oh ja, maar dat gaat is ook jarig.
At, nice kaayo. Kat, nice kaayo, Kat. Sana, sana. Hey, gwapa kaayo itong mga pagkaon.
Bianes na to kay Blasing ko. Speciaal gebracht.
Oh.
Zeg, kun jij wortel uitmaken, Marleen?
Ito gwapa sa carrot cake. Oy, naibog ko sa carrot cake.
Ayan.
Te. Gwapa kaayo ka, tas in. Gwapa kaayo. Gwapa kaayo ba?
Okay ra?
Gwapa pa yun oh. Gwapa pa yun oh. Ang mga food committee oh. Napa yun oh. Gwapa oh. May kamahalan ito. Murang 4,000 plus ata ito, te.
Wala na pagkain o inumin?
Inumin lang.
Pero ang
Kasi yung pagkain, renta at saka drinks. Gratis 18. Kinsa man ang salm? Oo, pagbigay niya, te. Pagbigay niya yung ininit niya.
Yeah.
Oo.
Ito yata ang patat mamaya.
Parang. Ay, may sataynan po dahil sila, oh. Heel veel eten, hè, Dra?
Oh, heel veel eten.
Ja. En waar is Lars?
Die kon helaas niet bij zijn.
Jammer.
Uy, unsa?
Hoy, awa. Te, pakpakan ako makapalakpat nito. Ganawa.
En ik ben heel blij dat er echt omdat er heel veel zijn. Dat betekent dat Manetje is erg geliefd. En nou, dat mag best gevierd worden. En om te beginnen hebben we ook iets. Ik heb via ben ik te horen gekomen dat jullie ook in de Filipijnen willen ze jou feliciteren. Dus dat gaan we jou straks.
Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being such a wonderful, generous, and a very good big sister to us. Thank you for being there always whenever we need help. Thank you for being with me. Since I was a kid, you took care of me. Until I grow up, you took care of my education. I will not be what I am today if without you. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. I wish you good health, more blessings, happy family, happy life. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ned. More power.
Happy birthday, Ate Monet! Good health! Amping kanunay! See you soon! More birthdays to come! Thanks for everything! Love you!
Happy birthday, Miss. Salamat sa mga pagkaon always. And we can't wait na maulit mo din po po. Enjoy your day and see you soon and we will be enjoying Japan. Manifesting.
And happy birthday also.
And Happy New Year! Happy birthday, bye! See you soon!
Sing.
Happy birthday.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday, Lily. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Monet. Happy birthday, Tita Monet. Happy birthday, Tita Monet. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Monet. Enjoy your day and God bless you. Have fun. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mami Monet. Stay pretty and healthy. And more blessings to come. Happy birthday ko, Noy. Oh. Sunod.
Happy birthday. Stay healthy and more blessings to come. Something mo rin na.
Happy birthday, Ate Monet. More blessings. Stay healthy and sexy. Uy! Uy! Thank you kaayo sa tanan-tanan, Ate Monet, no? Ang among kadampan dayon. Okay, so lucky kayo nga to have a sister like you and also to my other sisters. No? Okay, enjoy your day. Yeah, more birthdays to come. Okay. Have another greetings from Star, from Shine. Happy birthday to you. Okay, birthday greetings from our congressman. Congressman son. Who's your son? Happy birthday, my Mami Monet. Hi. Hi, Monet. Happy birthday. God bless you. God bless you. Bye. I love you. Okay.
To the Disney Princess of the Day, happy birthday, Tita Monet. I wish you all the blessings and the genuine happiness that this life could offer. And also, I would like to grab this opportunity to say thank you for being so generous, not just to me, but also to my family. And yeah, we really appreciate you. And see you soon. Love from Taiwan. Bye.
Kijk, zo gaat het anderhalf jaar. Ja? Dus, nou, het is nog een beetje 6 uur, dus ik vind van, laten we al het buffet is geopend.
Even when my parents were alive, she was still our second mother. She's always there to, ze vangt ons altijd op. Whatever it is, just call the Ate Monet. She will give you the unconditional love. Yeah? So, yeah, for your birthday. No, I'm gonna cry. No, I'm just...
Neem nog wine.
Het also weet ik was inderdaad meegegaan, maar voor felicitaties. Maar we zijn hier toch en ik ben blij dat ik dit kan doen en kan zeggen. En ja, bij deze.
Hehehehe